What if the most powerful productivity tools are already sitting on someone's desk and nobody told you? A webcam that thinks like a camera operator, a doc that summarizes your meetings automatically, a calendar that builds your entire day for you. None of these are concepts. None of them are coming next year. Every single one is on sale right now, and most people have no idea they exist. Welcome to Best Futuristic Gadgets, 10 AI-powered workspace gadgets that are so far ahead of a normal desk setup, you'll wonder how you worked without them. Let's go. Number 1. You start your workday already 3 steps behind. Emails from overnight, messages you missed, a calendar that looks fine until you actually read it properly. Most people spend the first 30 minutes of work just figuring out what work even is today. Lenovo AI Workmate skips all of that. This is an AI work companion that organizes your day before you do, summarizing emails, flagging priorities, prepping your schedule, and surfacing what actually matters the moment you sit down. It connects across your apps, learns your work patterns, gets sharper the longer you use it. Most people start their day trying to catch up. Workmate makes sure you start already ahead. That's not a productivity boost. That's a head start every single morning. Number 2. You're deep in a task, and suddenly you need 15 different things. A shortcut, a macro, a quick AI prompt, a tool you always forget the name of. So you stop, you search, you break focus. DECOKEE Quake fixes that by putting an AI copilot literally under your fingers. Custom keys, programmable shortcuts, AI commands triggered with a single press. Summarize this, rewrite that, launch this workflow. No typing required. It's not a keyboard, it's not a macro pad, it's a physical control panel for everything AI can already do for you, finally with buttons that make sense. Most people lose focus reaching for a tool. With Quake, the tool is already under your hand. Number 3, you just left a meeting and someone asks what was decided. You remember the vibe, you do not remember the details. The HiDock H1 remembers everything. This is an audio doc powered by ChatGPT, recording your calls and meetings, then automatically generating clean summaries, action items, and key takeaways before you've even closed your laptop. It identifies different speakers, pulls out decisions, not just dialogue, turns an hour-long meeting into a 3-line summary that actually tells you what matters. No app to remember to open, no manual note-taking, no, wait, who said they'd handle that? People used to leave meetings hoping they remembered enough. With HiDock H1, you don't have to remember anything. It already did. Number 4. You're presenting on a screen, and everyone's eyes glaze over at slide number 4. Screens are flat. Screens are normal. Normal doesn't get remembered. Holoneo isn't a screen. It's an air imaging display, projecting visuals that appear to float in mid-air with no physical surface at all. 3D models, floating data, interactive visuals that look like they're hovering in front of you, because they are. For presentations, product demos, design reviews, anything where here's a slide just isn't enough anymore. Most presentations get forgotten the moment people leave the room. Holoneo gets remembered before people even sit down. Number 5. You had a brilliant idea in the middle of a conversation, and by the time you could write it down, it was gone. Plaud Note Pro doesn't let that happen. This compact AI note-taker records, transcribes, and organizes everything in real time. Calls, meetings, voice memos, random flashes of genius that hit you walking to your car. One tap, it's captured, searchable, summarized, done. Ideas don't wait for you to find a notebook. Plaud Note Pro makes sure you don't have to either. Number 6. You're in deep focus. Someone walks over. Hey, quick question. And just like that, gone. The Luxafor Flag is a small LED light that sits on your desk or monitor and shows your real-time status. Red for Do Not Disturb, green for Available, synced automatically with your calendar and meeting status. No awkward headphone signals. No explaining yourself for the 5th time today. People respect a red light way more than they respect, I'm kind of busy. Luxafor doesn't just show your status, it protects your focus without you saying a word. Number 7. Your desk is a mess of cables, stands, webcams, lights, and gadgets all fighting for space. UltraBar X is the future desktop condensed into one bar. Camera, lighting, speakers, mic, smart display, all integrated into a single sleek unit that mounts above your monitor. One cable, one setup. Everything your modern workspace needs, finally living in one place instead of 6. Most desks look like a tech graveyard. UltraBar X looks like the desk got a glow up and actually works better too. Number 8. You're on a call, you lean back, you gesture, and the camera just stays there. Static, boring, half your face cut off. The Insta360 Link 2 Pro is an AI 4K webcam that actually follows you, tracking your movement, reframing automatically, keeping you perfectly centered whether you're sitting, standing, or pacing while you talk. 4K clarity, AI gesture controls, auto-framing that feels like a camera operator is following you around. Most webcams just sit there. This one pays attention. Number 9. You're stuck on a task, staring at the same screen for way too long, and nobody notices. Loona Deskmate notices. This is a screen-aware AI companion that sits beside your monitor, understands what you're working on, and steps in, gently, exactly when it's useful. Not when you ask, when it matters. Stuck for 10 minutes? It offers help. Deep in focus? It stays quiet. Forgot a deadline? It mentions it. Once, kindly, at the right moment. Most desk gadgets just sit there looking smart. Loona Deskmate actually pays attention to you, and somehow that makes working alone feel a little less alone. Number 10. Your calendar is full. Your day still feels chaotic. Sound familiar? That's because most calendars just show you time. They don't help you use it. ZIEA One is the world's first AI calendar built around planning and focus, not just scheduling. It looks at your tasks, deadlines, energy patterns, and priorities, then actually builds your day for you. Focus blocks where you're sharpest, buffer time where you need to breathe, meetings grouped so your day doesn't feel like constant whiplash. It's not a calendar that tells you what's coming. It's a calendar that tells you how to handle it. Most people's calendars run their day. With ZIEA One, you finally run yours. Thanks for watching Best Futuristic Gadgets. Subscribe and stay upgraded.